Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mark Santos, 26, 5'7" in height, from Pampanga. I am currently working as a customer service representative in one of the largest BPO company in the Philippines.
Feel free to add more in there. So you're currently working at a BPO. And what are your hobbies?
Hobbies are, actually I go to gym 6 times a day. I'm so sorry, I'm nervous right now.
6 times? Ibay mo naman 6 times a day?
6 times a week, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Sorry.
Diyos ko. Hindi ko kinaya yung bagot.
Sorry. I'm nervous. This is actually my
Go
first
lang, Mark.
time.
Go lang. Mark Santos. Yes, ma'am?
Okay, hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, alright. So, do you have TikTok? Yeah, are you on social media?
Not really,
Oh,
but I
okay.
have TikTok.
You have TikTok. Okay, how is it so far? I mean, how is it going for you?
I actually post, not really posting, but I'm posting. Sorry.
Okay.
But not
Thank you, Enrico Mark Santos from Masan.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Nico St. Texon, 24 years old, from Novaliches, Quezon City.
You start off with just telling us a little bit about yourself.
Okay, nagano po ako, four-year artisan from BLK 513. Then I was working na customer service po. Then as of now po, I resigned po and then I'm currently looking for a job din po. Then as of now po, working out din po 3 times a day.
Can you tell us?
Pwede po ba mag-request ng kanta?
Good evening, everyone. I'm Matthew Arboling, 27, from Cagayan de Oro City. I'm a fitness trainer and an athlete. Thank you.
Matthew is a familiar personality. Parang ito ata yung yung zinero daw ng mga judges. Pero alam niyo na ha, bawal yung zero. Bawal ang zero dito. Okay? Sige.
Matthew, if I'm not mistaken, current candidate ka ngayon ng Mr. Cagayan de Oro.
Yes, my recent pageant po is Mr. Cagayan de Oro. Held at Lenggit-Kai Atrium last August 18 po.
So tapos na?
Yes, tapos na.
Nanalo ka ba?
Hindi.
Si Hero daw kasi siya nung isang...
Nasira yung actor ko.
Sige, indulge natin ang crowd natin. Kasi nakikita ko naman sa mga media pages natin sa pageantry. Bakit ka hindi nanalo? Ikaw naman ata ang crowd favorite ng ating media. And by criteria, ikaw naman ang pinaka well fit doon sa mga nandun. Sana naging fair naman sila. Pero we're curious bakit ka nag-join sa Mr. Grand Philippines. Madami namang ibang pageant.
I joined Mr. Grand Philippines because it's a prestigious platform that I I can represent Cagayan de Oro City to greater heights, and I will contribute great things in this prestigious platform. Thank you.
Patas naman kami dito. Wala naman magbibigay ng 0 dito sa'yo. Thank you. Baka sa ibang judges. Next question.
Can you share that with us and tell us kung anong ginawa mo before with your in regards to your advocacy to raise that awareness?
Thank you. My advocacy is Sustainable Development Goal number 3, good health and well-being. Because I want to empower people to have an active and healthy lifestyle, to drum up support, to raise awareness for our health issues, health future issues. Thank you.
Recent funny memory.
My most recent funny memory is about the recent issue that I got 0 character because many radio station want to interview me for a statement, and all my supporters are keep on asking about those introversion.
So one last question. Since you got 0 on that passion, so if I'm going to ask you, how can you rate yourself from 1 to 10? 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest, and why?
For me, it's I rate myself 9. Why? Because I always believe that there's always room for improvement, and I'm a teachable person. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is R.D. Cristobal, 28 years old, from Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. I am an online seller, also a small business owner, and a part-time video editor. And my hobby is working out. Maybe this time it'll be love and they're fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
Good day, everyone. My name is Kiefer Esguerra, 25 years old from Las Piñas City. I am a student athlete and an entrepreneur. My advocate is athleticism and sportsmanship. Thank you.
Candidate number 35.
Presence of each candidate, because we wanted to have a clout in the social media that can be a voice to Miss Grand Philippines winner. So ako na muna magtatanong about the same question of Miss Kelly. How are you performing in social media? Because that's critical and vital, and being the winner and being the voice of Miss Grand Philippines as an ambassador. So how are you managing bashing? How are you managing your image that will somehow reflect the organization if you win and considered as one of the candidates?
If I ever, if I win, like, sa mga basher, market for me, I think I can handle, but I'm not that really social person.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kenneth Cruz, 28, representing Pampanga. I'm a model, a freelance talent artist, and entrepreneur.
Open for questions.
Hi, good afternoon, candidate number 37. Kabalin, taga-Arayan din ako. Saan sa Arayan?
Sa Nicolas.
Sa Nicolas.
Yes.
Poblasyon.
Nice meeting you.
Okay, my question for you is, what is the most significant challenge facing men today and how would you address it?
Again.
What is the most significant challenge facing men today and how would you address it? Teka, hindi ako marunong magkapampangan. Gusto kita kapampanganin.
Namin pinakamalagulad challenge para aking lalaki and makanano mo.
How to grow themselves, paano nila tutulungan yung sarili nila para mas improve, maging tunay na lalaki, maging self-confident, yung
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Johnny Amigabili, 22 years old, 5'7".
Tell me, define the youth of today.
Siguro ma-define ko po as stubborn.
Why?
Because, marami pong kids na masyado nang tutok sa gadgets, which is nakaka-apekto sa mga bata and hindi rin na masyado natututukan ng parents. That's why, siguro maganda po may implement is mas matutukan pa ng magulang yung mga bata nila sa paggamit ng mga gadgets.